Hey YouTube, this is the first leg of our vacation, and it just snowed in Northern Virginia. This is where I need to get the trailer to. Basically, I need to park it in front of our house, and so this video is going to be pretty much just on going, getting the trailer, and going through the snow. So if you don't know about our channel is mostly on our Jeep and mostly on camping, or camping with the Jeep, or overlanding, and things that we do. So it's kind of like a lifestyle vlog. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. So anyway, onward with the journey. So this road right here is a road to the storage facility where we keep the trailer during the off season. At least this year, this is where we're keeping it at. And this is in Winchester, Virginia, and they got a little bit more snow than we got. And yeah, you can see it's like very snowy, and it's going to be very interesting trying to get this trailer out. And I wasn't really even sure if they had plowed, and lo and behold, the plow is actually here. Like, it's like literally, like when I say it's here, I mean like literally it is here. Like, I'm like, oh my god, look, there is the plow. Like, they're actually plowing it right this very second. So I was so happy that to just see that it was being plowed, because I had just kind of had in my mind this kind of horror thought that I was going to have to put it in a 4-low and get my shovel out. And I did have to get my shovel out at some point, but I thought maybe I'd have to dig my way out of here to get the trailer. So you can see how thick the snow is, and yeah, like picking up the trailer in the snow. And the trailer's been here now for about, I want to say 2 weeks. We went to North Carolina and did that URI trip, and when we got back from URI, this is where we dropped it off at. And there it is right there. It is next to that other travel trailer, and then there's a kind of a utility box trailer thing right next to ours. So I did a quick walk around, as you can see, just kind of to get an idea of what I have going on, and I'm gonna have to do a little bit of shoveling, it looks like, just to make it a little bit easier to get out. I mean, I could just pull it out as is, but I decided to shovel it. So I started shoveling it, and believe it or not, the owner had their shovel out, and they came out and they actually helped me shovel. So it's really cool to see how nice this place is. I mean, this is Shenandoah storage connection. If you need to storage or whatever in Winchester, that's like where I'm at. And yeah, they seem very friendly and nice. So anyway, this is basically the end result of all of our hard work, and I'm gonna go get the trailer now and let you see me hook it up and everything like that. And kind of like I said, this is a little different kind of video. So the first thing you notice is I didn't have the trailer hitch on. That was like my bad. But basically, we have a weight distribution system that we have to use. So basically, we hook the trailer, then we raise it up, then we put the weight distribution on, nice and easy. Then we lower it back down, and good to go. So I kept hearing this beeping noise when I was working on the trailer, and I could not figure out what it was. So I decided to go actually in the trailer, and lo and behold, the trailer was actually beeping. I don't know exactly what it was. Like, I know where it was. I didn't really look close enough to know like specifically what this thing is that's beeping. But this is inside of our trailer, and basically we had just crammed all of our stuff in it because we're just kind of like leaving it here. So normally it is not like this, like haphazardous, but that little black box there with a red light on it was like beeping like crazy. And I still, like I said, I don't know what that box is, but it was beeping, and I thought maybe there was like a button on the back of it to reset it, and there's like nothing on the back of it. And so anyway, like lo and behold, basically after enough fiddling around, I found there's a button on the front of it that you just hold in, and that will make the red light turn green and it'll stop beeping. So that's the thing. It has some warning thing above it. So my assumption is maybe the battery went dead on our trailer because it sat here for so long, and it was so cold. When I say so long, I mean it was literally just 2 weeks, and that little thing apparently got upset, and there it is. Now I'm getting it reset, and now it is all happy and green. Hey, so now that the trailer is happy and we're all hooked up, I'm gonna go and pull my trailer out, And the parking lot across from me was still covered in snow. They hadn't plowed it yet, so I actually had to pull the trailer basically into half a foot of snow to back it out and everything. But the back wheels only had to track a couple feet in. It was mostly just the Jeep that was in the snow, and it worked out pretty good. So anyway, we got the trailer out, which is cool, and we are headed basically home to get it all set up, and then we will get on the road tomorrow. And essentially the plan for us is to pop through North Carolina and then stop off in Savannah, Georgia, and when we get into Florida, we're going to stay in a national park for one day to do the Badge of Honor, the Tread Lightly Badge of Honor in northern Florida, and then we will head over to St. Pete, and then end up in Fort Myers, like on a beach, and that'll be cool. So that's basically the rest of the month. So a couple weeks, we'll be down there in the nice warm Florida. So my main concern was basically being able to get the trailer out with all this snow and everything, and this is the first time ever trying to tow through any kind of snow or anything. But fortunately, basically by the time I got to the main roads and the highway, everything was just sort of wet, and it wasn't really snow covered anymore, and so that was very, very, very fortunate. So we are magically back near our house after about an hour or so driving, and I'm gonna pull in, and you're gonna get to see that basically all that salt and that I had warmed up a little bit had really kind of helped out a whole lot on where I was going to park the trailer. There's still a little bit of snow here, but it's nowhere near as bad as it was this morning when I posted the one video showing where we are. So I'm just so happy that it warmed up a little bit, just enough that we were able to get the trailer in here. Hey YouTube, so we made it back safely, and as you can see, looks like everything's starting to melt, so this is just like perfect. I was really hoping that everything would kind of melt a little bit this afternoon, and we will load up the trailer, and then you'll get to see our vacation. So I think our next destination is a quick stop in North Carolina, and then we'll be in Georgia, and then Florida a whole lot. So please like and subscribe, and we will see you guys in a bit. Hey, so one of my concerns, if you look closely at the top of the trailer, is there's about like a foot of snow like on the top of the trailer, and I was just so concerned that I was going to cause an accident and all that was going to come off the trailer. But our trailer doesn't have a ladder on the back of it, and I don't carry a ladder around. I guess I could have like maybe backed the truck up to it with a tailgate open or something and try to figure out how to climb up there. But either way, whatever, I have to be a good Samaritan. And we have this weird looking this thing. I guess like the truckers know what it is, and the thing is what you can use to move a lot of snow, and so I used the thing to get the snow off the trailer. And I know somebody's going to ask me a little bit about the thing, so I'll like show you a close-up in a bit about this thing that I used to clean off the top of the trailer. But I know that the HOA hates me because like pretty much like I'm always like cleaning the truck and like leaving like mud on the like road in front of our house, or leaving like piles of snow after they spend all this time cleaning it up and everything. But like whatever, like the HOA can like live with it. Hey YouTube, so I'm sure somebody will ask me what this is that I'm using. It's this thing right here. It says Snow Pro, SNOPRO. I have no idea where to buy them at. I have no idea how much they cost. Eric, or the person that had a seasonal site next to us, had this, and Kimberly mentioned that she liked it, and he said he had a bunch of them, so we got it for free. But I'm sure you can look it up on Amazon. It's this kind of squeegee material, and in the lower part of it feels like it's maybe a painting stick, you know, like an extension to a paint roller type thing. So I'm assuming you can probably get them as long as you want. And probably all the pro trucker people know what this is, like to like clean off the top of trailers and stuff. But yeah, it looks pretty cool. We got it to clean off for Grand Cherokee, believe it or not. But it seems like it does an amazing job of cleaning off campers too. So I'll put in the description below or whatever what it's called, just so if anybody wants one, they can look it up or whatever and figure out how to buy it. So